Hello, welcome back to our channel from Saudi Arabia. In this video we're going to get to check out the famous, very famous Baik Chicken. Just arrived at the door, let's get into the video, let's see what all the fuss is about. Thank you. So as you may know, during the World Cup there was chaos in Qatar. So a company called Baik, specialising in chicken, world famous chicken, specialising in chicken famous in GCC and particularly in Saudi Arabia, they came across the border in the World Cup and they were accused 3-4 hours waiting to taste the chicken. Just ordered some chicken nuggets, 10 chicken nugget meal and fries, seeded bun and some condiments, some ketchup and I think some mayonnaise. So I'm going to get into this quick video, see what it's like. If you're not subscribed already, please consider doing so before you leave. Give the video a like and a thumbs up if you get any value from it. Leave a comment down below, we'd love to hear from you. Let's get straight into the video and see what these are like. So this is a famous Baik chicken nugget. A square and a rectangle shape. Feel very, very soft and tender. Let's go for this first bite. I think they are actually made from solid chicken breast. Not like McDonald's or the chicken nuggets you get that are made from that chopped up chicken. These are the real thing. Very tender, tasty, juicy also. Not sure what to make out of the coating though. Kind of bready, like a cross between bread and batter, but the fries also just regular fast food kind of fries. So here, Baik nugget sauce. Get one with the nuggets and we are going to dip it in this nugget sauce. So it's ketchup, quite rich, a little bit of spice in there as well, very tomatoey, very nice. Makes the chicken nuggets taste so much better. Also got a seeded bun. Yeah, just a normal seeded burger bun. Let's give it a try. I'm going to put one of the nuggets in there and maybe add a little bit of sauce. It's good. Also get with the meal a pot of garlic sauce. Try this one also, see what it's like. Again, another one of the big nuggets, big garlic mayonnaise on there. Super garlicky. Tastes like fresh garlic rather than the pretend garlic that usually arrives, but it's nice. Also getting there a small, refreshing wipe. So, what is Baik chicken like? Is it worth the hype? No. Is it good? Yeah, it's okay. Nothing to queue 3 hours for. I certainly wouldn't be having it again unless I was in the area and wanted something to eat. Wouldn't go out of my way, wouldn't queue for it. It's just chicken, it's nothing special. I have to say, the best thing about Baik is the wipe. Not fantastic, guys. It's chicken breast. It's fried. Um, Maybe if it was fried fresh and eaten immediately, might be a little bit better. This was delivered through Holy Station in Saudi Arabia. Very good site, by the way. But as for the fuss, it's a no from me. I don't know what all the fuss is about. If you get a chance to try it and you're close, give it a try. It's well worth eating. Not fantastic. Don't queue for 3 or 4 hours for it. Give me a McDonald's chicken nugget any day. Sorry, Outback, but that's how I feel. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate your time. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and we will see you in the next one.